I work from home, and after I'm done with the day, I like to sit on my porch, have a cigar, and have a few beverages, and a lot of times those turn into adult beverages or alcoholic beverages, so I am on the hunt for the best alternative to adult beverages so I could have a few of these drinks rather than a few alcoholic drinks. And this is my latest test, so this is hop water. Comes in lots of different flavors. This is blood orange, classic, mango, and lime. Now, full disclosure, when I saw these advertised as kind of an alcohol alternative, I kind of assumed that it would taste very much like an IPA or like a hoppy alcoholic drink, but without the alcohol. And I was wrong. These are sparkling water drinks. These taste like a sparkling water with a very light hint of the things that are on it. Like classic, it says it's crisp, citrusy, and piney, and that is right on with what it is. It's a sparkling water that has a really subtle citrusy and almost pine tree, like a piney flavor, but it's really good. So things like this, if I'm going to sit on my porch and have a drink, if I have things like this in my house, I will grab them over an alcoholic beverage, which keeps me from drinking as often, which I really like. So they kind of do their job in my personal opinion anyway, but don't be fooled. These are not going to taste like a hoppy beer. These are going to taste like sparkling waters with a hint of these different little flavors in it, but still a pretty good flavor in my opinion, and it fits into my macros perfectly. I eat keto, so I don't want any carbohydrates or sugars, which these don't have. So it's 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, just a simple drink to enjoy on your porch rather than grabbing an adult beverage. So for that reason, I would definitely recommend them.